Welcome back, students. The topic for today's discussion is text files, and you will be learning how to write data onto a text file and what are the methods that are required in order to accomplish this task, namely writing. So the methods needed to write the data onto a file. Here they are trying to give us two methods. We will be following either one of the method in order to write the data onto the file. So the first method is a write method and the second method is a write lines. So what is the difference between these two methods? A write method takes a string. So file handle dot write of a string. The particular string is written onto the particular file which is referenced by the file handler. Similarly, write lines take a list. Write lines take a list as a parameter. It returns or it writes all the strings to the particular file referenced by the file handler. Now let us move on to a program in order to understand these two syntaxes in a clear-cut manner. Now let us discuss how to use the methods, namely write and write lines, to store the data onto a text file. Let me use a write method in order to store the data. To do that one, I am trying to use with open. I am trying to open a name, my demo write 01.txt. This is my file name which I am going to have. If this is not there, the file would be created. I am trying to open the file in write mode and I am giving the handler name as W file. Why? Because I am trying to write it, hence the handler name is W file. It is open for I in range. I am trying to accept 5 name of the students. So input enter the student name. I am trying to accept 5 input name. Then and there, after getting the input, I have to store them or I have to write them onto the file, namely my demo write 01. My file handler name is W file dot the method which I'm going to use it write. What is the string I'm going to write onto the file now? Name is the thing. So we need not worry about the closing of this particular file since I have opened the file using the statement with open, it automatically closes it. Let me try to save it. My demo write 01. This is what the file name I am giving. So let me save this program and I am running the program. See, it is asking for the name. I am entering the name Sundar, Sendil, Sham, Satya, Sedu. So it has accepted 5 input. In order to see where the data has been stored, I have to open, instead of Python files, I have to check in for text files. Why? Because the data has been written in the form of a text. My text file name is also my demo write 01. So I am trying to click that particular part. If you see, you are not able to see any spaces there. You are not able to see any spaces there, right? It is writing one string after the other string. In order to overcome this particular part, I am taking my program. I am saving the program in the name as 02. I am trying to save the program in the name of my demo write 02. My demo write 02. This is what I am trying to save. Yes, the program has been saved now. I have to change the text file name also as 02. Now, the previous problem is after every write, there is no space. Once if I am giving a new line to it, now let me run this particular program. Again, I am giving the same 5 names: Sundar, Sendil, Shama, Satya, then Sedu. So here, in order to check this output, I have to open the file named my demo2. I am changing the extension as text files. Now I am trying to open my demo write 02. If you see here, it is written, all the names are written line by line. Whereas in the previous text file, it is written as one single row without any spaces. So ensure that whenever you are trying to write line or write the data onto a file, try to include a new line after each and every write, or else the data will be stored like this as shown. So now let us try to use the other method, namely write line. The other method, namely write line. So here I am taking the same problem or program. I am trying to save in the name of write 3. It is write 3. Right here, I am trying to use a list. I am mentioning the list name as name list. Since I'm going to get names of the students, I am creating a list in the name of name list. So once I am getting the data, that is the input string, name list dot append. What are you going to append? Name. And kindly ensure that, as I said earlier, if I am not giving the new line, the data is getting stored in a single row without any spaces. So how to write? Once this is done, W file is the file handler dot write lines. I am getting all the data and all the data are being appended. All the data are being appended in the particular object named name list. So what is my parameter for write lines is the list name, namely name list. So let me save this program and let me run. It is accepting. I am trying to give the same input. Sundar, Sindil, Satya, Sedu, Sham. So here, in order to view the output, I have to use, look at this particular problem. After getting all the input from the users, all the input data are present in the list, namely name list. I am trying to write all the name list at one go here. So to open, I have to open which file? My demo 3. It is a text file. My demo write 3. This is the file I have to open. See here, now we can able to see the output which is similar to your write there. Both has given the same type of output. I hope this particular part, namely writing data onto a file, is clear.